Good morning, students. This is for textile testing subject for the students of 6th sem of BTech Textile Technology, Textile Chemistry and Textile Engineering students. So we'll move to quiz number 2. Now the first question is the thinnest Classimet fault among the following is. As we all know that Classimet basically classifies the faults where A, B, C, D, E, F and G are thick faults and H and I are thin faults. So the correct option here is D. Now the second question, where the value of breaking length in kilometers, that is RKM of a yarn, is numerically equal to, we'll go for option C, that is tenacity in gram force per tex is numerically equal to breaking length in kilometers, where breaking length is defined as the length in kilometers of the yarn having the same weight as equal to the breaking load of that yarn. So here the option is C. Now the next question is, with increase in relative humidity from 0 to 100%, the tensile properties of cotton fiber changes. As we all know that cotton, with increase in moisture content or relative humidity, the strength of the cotton fiber increases. Extensibility in general increases for all the fibers, and modulus, that is stiffness, decreases in case of generally all the fibers. So we'll go with option B, where modulus decreases, that is stiffness decreases, and strength and extensibility increases. Now the next question is the decreasing order of variation in tensile properties of fibers and their corresponding yarns and fabrics. Variation in tensile properties. Now variation in tensile properties, that is CV% of the strength of fiber, yarn or fabric. If we are going from the same fiber to yarn and fabric, CV% will be highest in case of fiber strength, and then yarn and then fabric. So we'll go for option A here. Now the next question is standard CSP value for a combed cotton yarn. As we all know, CSP is count strength product, where count is in cotton count system and strength is basically load, breaking load of a Lee in pound force. So the standard value for combed cotton yarn is 2250, and for carded cotton yarn is 2000 as per J.E. Booth. So now we'll move on to next question, that is yarn strength for shorter gauge length is comparatively. As we all know, due to weak length effect, yarn strength for longer gauge length is lower. So for shorter gauge length it will be higher. So we'll go for option B here. Next is on a CRE machine, that is constant rate of extension machine. If gauge length increases, the rate of loading will, on a CRE machine, if gauge length increases, the rate of loading decrease. Now the next is maximum extension rate in meters per minute on a commercial equipment for tensile testing of yarns is presently TensoJet is available, where maximum speed is 400 meters per minute. It is for tensile testing of yarns. So we'll go for option D here. And now question number 9, the tear strength of a fabric is higher. Tear strength of a fabric is higher where the float length is higher. So we'll go for option D, that is 7 and certain. So now the next question is bursting strength of square fabric as compared to unbalanced fabric of the weight produced from the same yarns will have. Bursting strength is a multi-directional strength test, and it is it is related to the, if the extensibility of warp and weft yarn is same, that is called square fabric, where EPI, PPI and all the factors of warp and weft are same, that will give the higher breaking strength as compared to unbalanced fabric. So we'll go for option B here. Okay, thank you. We'll continue in next class.